Hey guys, today I'll show you how to recover permanently disabled Facebook account using a new method. Kindly watch carefully so you don't miss a step. If you noticed at first, it shows our account has been permanently disabled and we can't submit a new review request. Now kindly go to any web browser of your choice. Now kindly make sure to sign in to the disabled account. After that, open a new tab and search for Facebook support. Select the first website. As you can see, our request was sent successfully and our account should be restored in few days. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.